Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You're logged in and in the app. Now open the Now Playing view and tap the queue icon to reveal queued songs. Once done, scan the list for tracks you want removed and note whether you need to clear every item or just a few. Make sure you're on the account that owns the queue because collaborative sessions behave differently. Start by removing 1 or 2 songs to confirm the interface. This first action tells you whether you'll use individual deletions or a full clear approach. On desktop, right-clicking a queued track yields a Remove from Queue option. Use Shift or Control to multi-select adjacent or non-adjacent tracks to speed up deletion. On mobile, swipe left or tap the 3-dot menu next to each song and choose Remove from Queue. Repeat as needed. If you have dozens to clear, it's faster to create a new temporary playlist, add nothing to it, and switch playback, which effectively resets the active queue. Make sure to check cross-device sync after bulk actions to confirm changes propagated. Finish by verifying the queue reads empty and Now Playing, and then start any new song to ensure the queue is reset. If removed tracks reappear, make sure no other device is actively controlling playback. Disconnect or pause other sessions and try again. As a final troubleshooting step, clear Spotify's cache or log out and back in to force sync. This usually resolves stubborn entries. If problems persist, restart the app and repeat a targeted removal to isolate whether it's a sync or UI glitch.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.